here we are at 430 94 Encino. So it is on a dead-end cul-de-sac right here. Just maybe about a mile to the little downtown area that they're building. So come check it out. Okay, cute little 2-bed, 1-bath. Currently is a vacation rental property. You have storage underneath. And this one they just reduced to $399. We got cozy living room, the fireplace. And here we have the kitchen. Would probably get some smaller bar stools to maybe uncrowd this room a little bit. Here's their rental license. Hopefully it's updated because that one is expired. Got some vintage appliances that are really kind of unique and cool. So we'll go into the first bedroom. So really neat, kind of that 70s vintage paneling that you have right here. It also looks good when people paint that. So you can paint it like a white or a taupe if you want to try and make the home look a little bit more spacious and less cabin. And then here's the bathroom. Got some cool vintage features on the wall right here too. So really cute. And then we will go to the backyard. It's a very quiet neighborhood. A lot of these other homes are vacation rentals too. Cute little solar lit up walking path that leads back to the spa that is private. Very cute. Be almost nice to get a sliding glass door through one or both bedrooms to make even easier access for the home to the spa. But that's it. 2-bed, 1-bath, just dropped to $399.